I'm about to do something to wrap up this year that I've never done before. And you're gonna be with me. Are you ready? Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RV Jedeye, and I am here at Bingham State Park in Adel, Georgia. This is the second time that I have been at this state park, and it is the first time I've been at a state park in the same season. So as I wrap up season 4, I thought it would be nice to come back to a place that I started the season at, and Bingham was the choice. As usual, this is a really cool state park. Lots of spaces to camp in, easy pull-ins and pull-outs, some back-ins, some drive-throughs. It's got a little bit of everything for everybody. It's got tent camping and RV camping. It's a great overall spot to just come and hang out for a weekend or even longer. So starting this year off in Georgia, staying at Bingham State Park. It's about 2 hours north of Tallahassee in a place called Adel, Georgia. You may remember Adel because a couple of years ago, back in 2017, the area was hit with some devastating tornadoes, killed several folks, but the community has rallied back and really grown stronger since. So a big special shout out to all those in Adel. We're with you all the time. Bingham State Park is an absolutely fantastic state park. The only thing that would have made this even better is if it were a little bit warmer. Overnight it has been below 30, and actually when I got up to do my hike this morning it was about 38 degrees. Now there is a lake here at Bingham State Park, and one of the things that was unusual is that this time around the lake was full, but it still didn't feel like the way it was when I first got here back in March. Wow, what a difference a couple of months make. The last time I was here, water pouring all over here. It was, pouring over. It was really interesting and kind of cool. Now, totally dry. I think they stopped the lake from pouring over, and it's still interesting to see what happens here. But again, very different than earlier in the year when I was here, which I believe back in March. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you like what you're seeing in this video and you like the videos in general that come on the RV Jedeye channel, please subscribe and share. All you have to do is click that subscribe button below. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and that will let you know whenever a new video comes your way. I hope you continue to like the content. Hiking here at Bingham still a really good thing to do. Nice, easy trails. I'm on the Tortoise Trail, and you'll get your hike on no matter what. So doing the hike thing at Bingham State Park in Adel, Georgia. Now the one thing I can't say about this hiking area is that this time I followed the map and I was not lost. Last time I hiked here, I got lost, and what started out as about an hour hike or 45-minute hike ended up being almost 2.5 hours. Hiking here at Reed Bingham is great. A lot of trails to get around on, and as long as you pay attention to where you're going, you won't get lost. And I think you'll enjoy everything that's out here. So all in all, it's been an interesting season overall for this channel and myself. I started off the year as usual, getting ready to go out. Had some problems initially, but got things fixed and ended up going out and of course staying here at Reed Bingham for the first time. During my RV season, or this season, season 4, I lost my job, had to sell my house, and went on the search of trying to find a new job. But I still was able to RV and ended up living out of my RV for the summer, basically, as I looked for a new job. All in all, this has been a difficult season, season 4 for me, but I'm sharing it all with you because I want you to be a part of everything that I do. We're going to wrap up season 4 here today, and then season 5 will be just around the corner. I'll have a couple of special things for you before we start the next season, but season 5 will be coming up, and I will notify you guys when that happens, and I hope you come back for season 5 of the new RV Adventures of RVJedeye. And just a reminder, in terms of social media, you can follow me all over at RVJedeye. Also, follow me on my blog at rvjedeye.com. Again, thank you so much for following along. I hope you have a great day, and remember, enjoy yourself, RV whenever you can, and have a happy and safe 2020.